Welcome to Kelly's Corner. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is part 2 of decorating a Valentine mailbox with my niece Aubrey. We will be using my Cricut Cutting Machine. Now we'll get back to working on Aubrey's name. Okay, so we come down here to the letter spacing and we need to bring the letters together. So I'm going to do it like this for a little bit and see how it does. I may need to separate them some more. Let's see. Okay.
I want it that's pretty good, I think.
Let me ungroup these. Now, I'm not sure if this has a bold. Do you want this to be bold, Aubrey? See how that made that?
No, I don't want it
Oh, so you want it regular. Okay.
Yeah, I just want it regular.
So we go back to regular. Now we need to ungroup these. So I go to Actions and I need to ungroup them. And I've already done the ungrouping up there. And what I need to do is kind of move. Well, did it ungroup? Yes, it did.
She's also going to need to type in mail.
Hang on just a moment. We need to ungroup again for some reason. Okay, now then. We can scoot this away. We can bring the B in a little closer. So we have to go to Edit. And we go to the H position and bring it a little closer. Now see how it's touching the U? Okay, so now we want to get the R. Let's go down here to the bottom and go to H position. And we need to bring the R closer. And let it be touching. See there? Okay. Does that look good to you? On that part?
Yeah.
And we go to the E. That looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And my letters are touching. So now that it's touching, we need to weld this. So we need to group them. Now, I'm still learning on this, Aubrey.
Yeah.
So I might forget some things, but there's the other group button down there. So we group it all, and then it says we can weld it. And see how you've got the lines?
Yeah.
In between the letters. Well, we don't want that there. We want it because it's going to be cut. See between the U and the B, how it's got the letters there? Yeah. It will cut that all separate if we don't weld it. So we want to weld that. There we go. She's wanting this typed in with it. Aubrey's mail. So here's the word mail. Okay. We want to make it bigger. We will make it about the same height as this one, so we will make it.
Oh my gosh.
That's not the same height. Let's see, we'll put it over here. That looks like about the same.
A little low.
Let me see, I'll hold it over the A. And see, it's the right height. It is the right height. See that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So
So we want it underneath it. Okay, now see how that's centered? They had that line there. This, I like using the iPad. I'm sorry, I keep moving the filming where it's not showing it. Okay, I like using the iPad because it will do that. But you know what, Aubrey, we may need to bring it up like that. Unless you do that. but I don't know. What do you think?
I like it over that way.
Okay. You want to put a little heart right there and make it white also?
Yeah, just like it that way. And then...
Oh, you know what we have to do though still? We have to move the letters together.
Yeah.
So we will come back down here to edit.
They're touching a little.
They are touching, but we want to put them more so. So we have to do our letter spacing. There it is again. We will first do the letter spacing, and then we may have to bring them. I think I'm going to ungroup. Okay, let me weld that. Let's see. Okay, we'll group it and weld and see if that looks better. That looks pretty good, don't you think, Aubrey?
Yeah.
You like that okay?
I like
Okay, well, we can still move that over just a bit. Unless you want it there.
No. Right there, that's good.
Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. We can scoot it a little bit more if you want.
That's pretty good, I think.
Yeah. Now you want that white.
Yes.
And to keep me from getting confused, I'm going to choose the color. So we need to go to layers. And there's Aubrey's right there. We want white, so we come all the way up. And then we'll come down here to the word mail. And come over here and go all the way up. Okay. Now does that look good?
Yeah.
And to get that off, we have to press layer again. Okay. Looks good.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, we want to group it all. So we come down here and group both of the words together. So when we move this, we want it to be about 4 inches by about 3 inches. So we come down here. Let's see. It's hard to do sometimes on the iPad.
That looks good.
It does, but it needs to be smaller because of the, you know what? I can come over here and do it here because it wanted to line up with those other images. That right there is 4 inches.
It is?
And that is about 2 inches tall, and that will give you room for your arrow.
Okay.
Okay, that looks good.
Okay.
So we can just leave it there. Okay, and we are about to to cut it. See parts 1, 3, and 4 for the other portions of this tutorial. Those links are in the description below. Thank you for watching this video here at Kelly's Corner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.